Hello, my curly girls. Book an appointment with me. I am Kirian Anelis Medrano Navarro, Afro-Colombian. I promote authenticity and identity. I identify with wearing my curly hair, accepting myself as am I. For a year now, I have to smooth my hair. I no longer use straightening creams so that they look pretty or that they accept me. I want to encourage girls who have beautiful hair to know how to treat them, to love their hair and above all, to love themselves. I offer homemade, commercial treatment, hydration, nutrition, definition of course and guidance of the issue of transition and the great God. Back to the natural. Few Afro women have worn their hair according to their creation. Others, on the contrary, after undergoing the aggressiveness of the recent chemical or perhaps for waiting to feel freer, have decided to leave them behind and start again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.